Are you looking for a natural and effective way to shed those extra pounds? Look no further. Chia seeds might just be the answer you've been searching for. These tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients and have gained quite a reputation in the health and wellness world. Why do chia seeds aid in weight loss? Chia seeds possess several qualities that make them a valuable addition to a weight loss regimen. They are rich in fiber, which helps promote a feeling of fullness and reduces overall calorie intake. When consumed, chia seeds absorb liquid and expand, creating a gel-like substance in your stomach that helps control hunger and cravings. What are its benefits? In addition to their weight loss properties, chia seeds offer a range of other health benefits. These tiny seeds are a fantastic source of essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, protein, calcium, and magnesium. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, have been associated with improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Chia seeds are also gluten-free, making them an excellent choice for individuals with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Furthermore, they are incredibly versatile and can easily be incorporated into various recipes, adding a delightful crunch and nutty flavor. Scientific support. Scientific research has provided evidence of the beneficial effects of chia seeds on weight loss. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed chia seeds experienced greater satiety and reduced food intake compared to those who didn't. Another study published in the Annals of Nutrition and Metabolism showed that chia seeds can enhance weight loss and improve certain cardiovascular risk factors in overweight individuals. These studies highlight the potential of chia seeds as a valuable tool for weight management. How to use chia seeds. If you're ready to harness the power of chia seeds for weight loss, here are a few simple ways to incorporate them into your daily routine. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your morning smoothie or yogurt. Sprinkle chia seeds on top of salads, soups, or roasted vegetables for an extra nutritional boost. Create a refreshing chia seed pudding by mixing them with your favorite plant-based milk and letting them soak overnight. Use chia seeds as an egg substitute in baking recipes by combining 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Remember to start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake to allow your body to adjust. To learn more about natural weight loss, click on the pinned link in the comments.